Hello, today we will guide you through how to add volume indicator in MetaTrader 5 app. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll want to make sure you're on the main trading interface. If you're new to MetaTrader 5, don't worry. The process is quite simple once you know where each option is located. Next, tap on Chart at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the chart view, where you can see price movement and apply tools that help with analysis. The chart section is where most indicators are added, so this is the right place to start if you want to customize how market data appears. After that, look to the top right corner and tap on the indicator icon. This opens the Indicators menu, which is where MetaTrader 5 stores the built-in technical tools you can apply to a chart. Indicators are useful for helping you read market activity more clearly, and the volume indicator is one of the most commonly used options for understanding trading participation. Once the Indicators menu opens, tap on the plus sign. The plus sign allows you to add a new indicator to your current chart. If you already have other indicators applied, this is the option that lets you insert another one without removing the existing setup. Now scroll down through the list until you find volume. Depending on your app layout, the list may contain many indicator categories, so take your time and look carefully. Scrolling slowly can make it easier to avoid missing the option. When you find volume, tap on it. After selecting it, customize the settings as needed. This may include adjusting how the indicator looks on the chart, such as its color or display preferences. Customizing it can make the chart easier to read, especially if you already use a certain background color or chart theme. If you're not sure which settings to choose, the default options are usually a good place to start. Once you finish customizing, the volume indicator will be added to your chart. You should now be able to see volume data displayed beneath the price chart, giving you extra insight into market activity. And that's it. You've successfully added the volume indicator in the MetaTrader 5 app. If needed, you can always return to the indicator settings later to make further adjustments so the display matches your trading style.